You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. Let's break down how to pronounce it. Desert. Desert. Okay, so you have a Z sound. Make sure you pronounce the Z, okay? It's one S. Desert. So you're going to have two slightly different pronunciations. British English, desert. American English, desert. Fairly similar. Make sure to not confuse it with dessert, which is the cake or the ice cream or the sweets that you're having at the end of a meal. This one right here is the dry, arid, sandy area where no water, no rain falls. The desert, like the Sahara Desert in Africa. Desert. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.